syndicated as separate segments themselves. Go find them on YouTube. You can do it. That's right, Neo Urban Internet Television, a.k.a. Big T, the little V. Radically transparent and part of the long tail. But where does this come from? Where? Well, broadcast headquarters, Pack Stereo. Virtual reality, a cybernetic sensuality, something that your mind can feel. But I wonder, is it real? Or is it inside your mind, deep in a cybernetic space and time? Seek, create, and then you'll find it's merely a fantasy. It's merely a fantasy. The blue pill or the red pill. The blue pill or the red pill. That's right. And when 10 a.m. Mondays through Wednesdays, more or less, as we fight off the morning gremlins to edge our elbow. We use our elbows to get into cyberspace. That's right, to get the old ship flying. You know, before we achieve warp speed, we got to throw some elbows, make our way. That's the way you do it, just like the Boston Celtics. PackStereo.tv, check out our TV guide, PackStereo.tv/TV guide. But Vic,
yes, sir.
It's the why, they say, because they grab me, they pull my tail. I had one.
Yeah, well.
They do. They pull my tail, they say, Mario, why do you do the things you do? And I say, it is because we are you. We are you, the new. You, the new boo-boo.
Oh, Lord.
And together, we are doing the impossible and living to dream, because ultimately, you're going to realize, along with many, many others, that we are in control of these airways. As we take back the world and beyond with internet television, we are part of the revolution. And ladies and gentlemen, this revolution will be televised.
I would say bow our heads, but I'm reading the magazine in the back of me, so I feel a little bit better right now. You know, not that I missed that wonderful monologue and special program note that you had, but I couldn't help to check out the magazines you have on the rack back here, man.
On the magazines on the rack. What's the magazines I got? That Maxim?
Yeah.
See, this is why we keep some distractions in the studio. Plus, you know, because I'm a member of the Gallon Club at the Sperm Bank. I keep a variety of magazines because when I go down to them.
You do, man.
So that Maxim, that's a hot one. Yeah. Well, you know, it's all about the State of the Union. Oh, well, we can't, well, damn it. I can't do that.
Wait a minute. Yes, you can. Here's the funny part. Does anybody,
I messed up.
Does anybody know what you're about to do, even me?
No.
So, how would they know you messed up?
I just told them.
See, just what I'm saying. This is internet TV.
I just told because I didn't want to do it like that.
Right.
I have to use my appropriate lead-ins, Vic. What's wrong with me?
See, this is the part where I'm saying.
I got to use my lead-ins.
I'd rather say, hi, Trisha. What's up, Van?
What's happening? They there?
Get my hollers
Trisha?
out. Well, see, why you trying to figure out what you're going to do? I'd rather holler out to some people of wealth, integrity,
call out to Trisha,
and meaning.
because she's supposed to bring us some food. And Van, you know, y'all said you're going to bring us some monkey bread.
See, here we go. You know, people going to take offense to that. Monkey bread. Come on, man.
You could, but unless you have some monkey bread. Once you have some monkey bread, you no longer take offense because you say, damn, that's some good-ass monkey bread.
Well, are you back? You back on track now? You feel better?
I think I'm better. I got it. Okay.
Because I can do some more shout-outs real easy, man.
No, because I'm getting ready. Give a shout-out.
Nicole. I can give a little love, Stephanie Ray.
Well, tell them, okay. Well, no, that's good because I need that, Vic. I need that support because we're headed into what we call the Tube Mogul Stat Report.
Oh, Lord.
The Tube Mogul Stat Report. What is the Tube Mogul Stat Report? Tube Mogul Stat Report is where we here at Pack Stereo TV keep you up to date on our statistics like you care. We know you do. But the idea is to set the record straight about the views and also to endorse this service. Tube Mogul is perhaps the #1 video syndication service that you can use to upload videos to the internet. What's so great about it is that when you use Tube Mogul, you're able to track your statistics, you're able to follow those videos. So we suggest you try them. And also they have a free program that allows you to do up to 100 video syndications a month. Go check them out. Well, we use them. And Tube Mogul then is part of what we use to present the Tube Mogul Stat Report at Pack Stereo TV.
Yes, sir.
All right. Just so you know, yesterday, Vic, they're stretching way over here. Oh, okay.
You know, George Duke, old school cat, used to say, reach for it.
Well, there you go.
Okay.
All right. Well, that's what I say. Yesterday, Vic, Morning Coffee Crew at YouTube had 251 new views for a total of 61,453. That's right. The Pack Staff channel at YouTube, where we have a bunch of the older versions of Hot Picks and New Sports and those things before they had their own channel. Well, it still has a bunch of videos, Vic.
Yeah.
Yesterday, the Pack Staff channel at YouTube had 687 views for a total of 128,203. That's right. But let me tell you about Meta Cafe. Pack Stereo Meta Cafe, another one of the hot sites around the internet where you can put your videos up there for people to see you. Remember, I told you, you get Tube Mogul. It'll allow you to use this tool to upload your videos to all these places at once and follow the stats. Set it up. You can then shower your videos into the internet and then follow the stats like we're doing here. So you can have videos at Meta Cafe also. Yesterday, we had 175 views there for a total of 262,927,000. And here is the YouTube account of Pack Stereo, the one that's been shut down. We're in this ongoing dispute, shut down by YouTube. The Pack Stereo account, 1.95 million views. Okay, 1.95. But Vic, it's not just them. Yesterday on Daily Motion, we had 135 views for a total of 150,000, over to a total of 187,000.
Right.
And the Local Zone, which we know just been picking up more and more at YouTube. The Local Zone has its own channel, the LZ. When you get out there in the street with all that performance stuff, wow, 387 views yesterday for a total of 28,915. Ladies and gentlemen, right now, total Pack Stereo viewership, 2.8 million views on the internet. 2.8. Where's my effects, Vic? That's how important that is.
Well, and hey, let me just follow along what he said. Those are only the 5 destinations. That doesn't include all the destinations.
Oh, you're right. Those are the ones that we're tracking.
And also, because, everybody's getting more effective and efficient in counting what they call real views, because, they pimped the views, as it relates to people, hyping their own numbers. These are complete unique views. Oh, so the part that makes this unique for us, because one, our market is a little bit different because shorter video clips get you more views. We know that. We know if you go real short, you can click through those, you have the patience. We are a different model. We're going through what we call long programming models. So it's a harder test, and we're proving that, it can be accomplished if you have quality programming. So we still are going up the hill, but being more successful.
Well, exactly, Vic. And why do we do this? Because people kept writing us, and we wanted to set it straight. The videos that you see in the players are the number of people who watch it there at YouTube. Most of our videos are watched in embedded players all around the internet.
Not including the ones that you mentioned.
Not including the ones that you mentioned. That's why we set that straight, so you can know about the true statistics. And now we've added to as a regular feature to Morning Coffee. Okay, and that's why, not just to brag, because some people if you can get 2.8 million views on one video if you do something crazy enough.
Yeah,
that has to be your incentive.
We have a little model here, Maurice. You say, you can have about 3 million fans, 3 million friends, and 3 million subscribers, but no investors. And you can have like one friend, and he's an investor, and he launches your whole empire with the dollars. It don't take that many friends. It just takes smart investing. So I'm looking for unique friendships and subscriptions. I'm sorry.
I'm with you, my brother.
Okay.
I'm with you, my brother.
All right.
Okay. All right. We're going to come back. We're going to come right back. Let me see. Where am I? We'll come right back, and we're going to get into the news. And then remember, we got some videos to show you. Mac McAllister, Peter Parker.
All right.
Okay. Here's an original Hemsley Foster project track as part of our lead-in for the news today, Vic. It's a track entitled Blue. Remember, I'm the lyricist and engineer on those. Irvin Foster and myself wrote these. I believe right now you can get these things. There's a bunch of tracks available free online at the site. Mm-hmm. Go take a look. And then we'll be back with the news in just a minute.
Sounds good, man. Do we have to do any urban buffering, man, or is it just going straight through? Man, that's what you call Hypeville.
Dark and gray, there were no words to say. We just knew we were two. We just held on to each other. Yeah. I remember lazy days behind closed shades. I can feel it like yesterday. Can't believe it turned out this way. I know it was true. I get blue thinking of you. It's so sad and it hurts me so bad to know that we're through. No matter what your people say, there's no way they can know how I love you. They can't say there's no way they can know. Only you know the truth. Life has a way of bringing home reality. One day you will wake up and you will see what a waste and the
All right.